Hi friends, today we will learn to check the divisibility of any number. Yes, the divisibility of both composite and prime numbers. Hope you know what composite and prime numbers are. If don't, let me explain. Composite numbers. A composite number is a positive integer that can be formed by multiplying two smaller positive integers. Equivalently, it is a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. For example, the integer 14 is a composite number because it is the product of the two smaller integers 2 into 7. Prime numbers. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is not a product of two smaller natural numbers. A natural number greater than 1 that is not prime is called a composite number. For example, 5. 5 is a prime because the only way of writing 5 is as a product is 1 into 5 or 5 into 1. Okay, now let's start. First we will begin with 2 and its powers, which are 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 raised to 4 equal to 16, etc. Let's begin with 2. Any even number is divisible by 2. That is, we need to check whether the units digit of number is even or not. Say 1,99756. Here it is 6, hence it is divisible by 2. So what about 4? For 2 we check the last digit of a number. For 4 we have to check the last two digits and check whether they form a number which is divisible by 4. For example, 3311316. Check the last two digits, which is 16. Since it is divisible by 4, we can say the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, now say about 3654700. Is it divisible by 4? Yes friends, it is. When 0 by 4 equals 0, that means it is divisible by 4. So what about 8? Can you guess? If we have taken last two digits for 4, then for 8, it will be last three digits. For example, 5477168. Here we have to take last three digits as 168, which is divisible by 8. Isn't it easy? Now I hope you understood how to deal with 2 and its powers. If it is 2 raised to 1, check last digit. If it is 2 raised to 2, last two digits. If it is 2 raised to 3, last three digits. If it is 2 raised to 4, last four digits, and so on. Now let's move on to 3 and its powers. It is a bit different in the case of 3. Let's see. Divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of a number forms a number which is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Please go through this example. You will understand. The same rule applies for 9. Let's take an example. For example, 45981. If we add the digits, we get 27. Since 27 is divisible by 9, the number 45981 is also divisible by 9. Isn't it easy? Now, divisible by 3 cubed, that is equal to 27. In this case, it is a different method. Let's learn with an example. 542781. Take the last three digits and add this to remaining number, that is 781 plus 542, that is 1323. Repeat this procedure until we are convinced that we get a number which is divisible by 27, that is a two-digit number. This is the method how we check the divisibility of 27. Go through this example. For 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81, we have another way that we will discuss later. Since we have already discussed 4, we will move on to 5 and its powers. Okay, any number with units digit either 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. For example, 678835, 782230, etc. Okay, now let's check the divisibility of 25. Check the last two digits of a number. If they are divisible by 25, then the whole number is divisible by 25. Go through the given example. Here we can say that the last digits are 25, 00, 75 and 50, which are divisible by 25. So they are multiples of 25. Isn't it easy? So I think you got an idea regarding 5 and its powers. Yes, it is same as that of 2. If it is 5 raised to 1, then check the last digit, 5 square, then last 2 digits, 5 raised to 3, then last 3, and 5 raised to 4, last 4 digits. Hope you all understood the video. Thanks for watching. The part 2 with more contents will be uploaded soon. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. And also feel free to ask any doubts in the comment section. Thank you.